Hey everyone, I'm Sudha Padmanabhan. I work as a senior product manager in the Microsoft Partner Center team, mainly dealing with the Referrals Workspace. I just wanted to take a quick poll of the audience here. How many of you are just Office enrolled in the Office plugin developer program versus commercial marketplace or the MCPP program? If you could just give me a thumbs up or something like that, if you're part of the Office developer program only. I see. Okay, cool. So that I assume that the rest of you are probably already signed up for the MCPP program. And there's a reason why I'm asking for that information. So I just wanted to quickly talk about leads. So Office plugin leads are generated when a customer or user of your plugin, says get it now in App Source, and it includes all of their contact information, things like name, email address, phone number, job title, those kinds of things. And so in June of this year, we actually started delivering these leads into Partner Center. So in the past, we didn't have this functionality, and developers had to have a CRM system or had to sign up for Azure Table Storage or something like that in order to get these leads and then process them in whichever way they wanted. And so we've made that configuration optional in the offer publish flow. You might have seen that. And additionally, we've basically tried to make Partner Center Referrals Workspace sort of like your CRM to manage all your leads and opportunities. We want it to be that one-stop shop, right? That one place that you'd go to where, we're also investing in lead enrichment for your success. So in August, we actually shipped these indicators that validate whether the email address is actually, whether the email address is valid, in that if you sent out like an email nurture campaign, you would know that the email address would be delivered in the inbox. And similarly, the validity of the phone number as well. So these are available not only in the interface, but also as filters. So you can prioritize leads if you're getting a lot of them. I do know a lot of Office plugins do generate a large volume of leads. So, those are just handy tools that you can use inside of Partner Center Referrals Workspace. We're also looking at investing in lead enrichment. If you can see here, we're looking at sort of pulling in maybe the LinkedIn profile, their location. We've added a lead rating, number of interactions with Microsoft, events that they've attended, these signals to help you sort of have better conversations with your leads and prioritize them as well. And product usage. This is another one that we think will be valuable, where you'll know how engaged they are with certain of the Microsoft products. So I wanted to leave everyone here with sort of a call to action. So we're doing this backend linking process just to make sure that we have a legacy sort of tech stack for the Office developer program. And so we're looking to sort of link up the Office developer account with your Partner Center account, which is tied up with your MPN or MCPP partner ID. So this consent form will basically help us do that. And then you can access the Referrals Workspace and see your leads in there. So go ahead if you need to, sign up for that, and then we'll reach out offline and help you through that process of getting onboarded into Partner Center Referrals Workspace. All right.